How to fix Instagram notes feature not working. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of your Instagram app. For that, open your Play Store and search for the Instagram. Update if any update is available. You can see that my Instagram is up to date. Now second option is open your Instagram. At the top right corner, you can see three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Go to the option settings. Over here, you can find different options. Go to the option account. Scroll down to the bottom. You can see this option of switch to professional account. Tap on it. Tap on continue. Tap on continue again. Again, tap on continue. Tap on continue. Select any of the option. Here, I'm going to select clothing. After you select, tap on done. Tap on OK. Switching into professional account may also help to solve your problem. Tap on the option creator and tap on next. Now go back. Now the other thing you can do to solve your problem is tap on three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Go to the option settings. Go to the option help. Tap on the option report a problem. Tap on go back and shake phone. Go back to the messages option and shake your phone. Tap on report a problem. Now here you have to write, hello Instagram, I am not getting the note feature in my Instagram even though I am using the latest version. Please provide note feature in my Instagram. Thank you. After you do that, tap on next. Tap on send report. Tap on close. By applying all these tricks, your problem is surely gonna be fixed. In this way, you can easily fix Instagram notes feature not showing. At the end, if your problem is solved, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment on below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.